Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache in InShot app on iPhone. InShot is a popular video editing application for iPhone, but over time temporary files and cache can accumulate and slow down the app. In this tutorial we'll show you how to clear cache in InShot to free up storage and maintain the smooth performance. So over here, first open to your InShot app on your phone. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the app for the best performance and access to all the features. And from the main screen of the InShot, tap on the setting in the top right. From here we can find this clear cache just below the photo settings. Select to the clear cache here, and what you can do is select to this icon of the brush, and it cleared successfully. And that is it. This is how you can clear the cache on the InShot, and by clearing cache and InShot on your iPhone you can maintain optimal performance, free storage space, and ensure a smooth video editing experience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.